Real estate commissions and the race to the bottom. That's my topic right now. So, and yet another new company comes into Austin offering to sell your home commission free, but with full agent representation, to sell your home as is, no repairs can be requested by the buyer, and to charge the buyer a small fee. And so they are therefore going to disrupt the whole real estate industry by charging nothing. And let me tell you, these companies are becoming a dime a dozen as they participate in what I call the race to the bottom in real estate commissions. Real estate discounters have been around a very long time. Many of them, the recent ones now, are suffering horribly when it comes to trying to make a profit for their company. Many of them have shuttered their doors, and yet another new one just announced is coming to Austin. Why? In 2018, there was $60 billion spent in real estate commissions. It is the cost of business of buying or selling a home. Now look, here's some of the things that I learned. Very early in life from my mom and my dad, I learned if it sounds too good to be true, it is. And that is true of these companies. Look, charging 0% is not disrupting the real estate community. As a matter of fact, it's really insane. It is just inviting sellers and enticing them with a bait and switch scheme. So they're going to charge buyers in order to buy your home, while all the other sellers out there are charging the buyers nothing. So where do you think buyers are going to go? Now, what sells homes? Marketing is what sells your listing. And guess what? Marketing costs money. And for me as a real estate agent to spend my money to market a home involves tremendous amount of business risk, and that's why sellers pay me only if I deliver results, and those commissions are fair to both the seller and to the buyer. And believe me, when you get to the closing table, I don't care which side of the transaction the commission is on, whether it's on the seller side or on the buyer side, both of them are paying the commission because it comes out of the transaction. Do not fall for these schemes that are a race to the bottom in real estate commissions. These companies, I predict, will not disrupt the real estate industry. They will fail. People deserve better than that. People deserve full service. They deserve marketing. They deserve selling their home for top dollar, and buyers deserve buying a home at a fair price. Look, let's talk about it. If you have a question, give me a call. Dan Forbes, Forbes Property Group, RE/MAX 1 here in Cedar Park, Texas.